This is the Integrator homepage, from which you can reach all of the system modules with a simple click of a single button. Clicking on the navigation button takes us instantly to the Integrator Navigation Cockpit home screen. This is the Integrator Navigation Cockpit home screen, from which any module in the application can be accessed. Clicking on the Prioritized Exception Report navigation button instantly takes us to the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module home screen. This is the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module home screen. Clicking on the % Annual Growth navigation button in the Versus Target column takes us to the section of the screen that provides the optimization table for all of the % Annual Growth key performance indicators. The first table that we see is the % Annual Growth optimization table for total revenues projected for the time period 2013 to 2015. The details of all of the columns in this optimization table will be discussed in the video on automated optimization in the section dedicated to the competitive advantages of the KPI Exception Decision Support module. The table, as we can see, is initially sorted in alphabetic order with the average in the target rows at the bottom of the table. The structure of each optimization is defined by the choices you make using the two green pull-down menus. Target metric defines which of the three metrics we will use. Let's use the dollar millions to show the millions of dollars of annual growth in total revenues. The type of analysis defines the type of optimization and the name of the column that will display the optimized results. Let's select Versus Target to show the difference between the projected growth in total revenues for the 2013 to 2015 time period and the target value. The optimized results will be displayed in the column at the far left side of the table with the heading Versus Target. Now simply clicking on the Prioritized Navigation button immediately results in the optimized results being displayed in the Versus Target column. And we'll just scroll over. And this is the Versus Target column. The projections are optimized in descending order, with the projects most exceeding the target at the top, the best project, and the worst performing project at the bottom. So we see that Boston is projected to outperform the target by $175 million in average revenue growth above the target, while Atlanta, we see at the bottom, is projected to be the worst at over $1.3 billion below the target. Now also note that only Boston and Chicago are above the target, whereas all projects except Atlanta outperform the average. Clicking on the Restore button restores the entire optimization table to its original alphabetic-based sequence. And we'll just scroll back and click on Restore. And we can see that the original sequence has been restored. We click here to return to the top of the screen, and clicking on the Return to Top of Screen navigation button takes us back to the top of this home screen and ready to do another one-click optimization. This concludes the overview of the Integrator KPI Exception Decision Support module.